Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. I hope you are watching all the videos in which I am telling you the beauty of speed maths, and that is what is required to make your children smarter. And the children, if they start practicing these tricks right from the school level, from class 4 onwards maybe, visualization activities, they will no longer be scared of big numbers, and that is what is the intention of bringing all these videos in front of you. And this video is no different. Speed maths for all the dear students who love mathematics, who want to love mathematics and make it joyful. Summer vacation is coming up, so I have a very good gift for you. I'll tell you the details of the gift very shortly. I'll tell you what do I have in this video. So we are going to make the maths joyful and quick, and we are going to have some fun with nines. Nine is a very interesting number. I'll show you how. And some base numbers. We'll be having lots and lots of fun in this video, and we will do everything in the mind, whether it is subtraction using borrowing or multiplication by nines. This is going to be simplified for you in this particular video. So watch the complete video. It is very important to learn the complete concept and then start practicing. From where? From this amazing combo of the Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths Volume 1, which has 2400 practice questions, 14 different topics, simplified for all the students of class 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They all can study this. And NTSC, School Olympiads, SSC, Banking, Railways, LIC, other competitive exams, everything can be cracked very easily if you study this. The video links are given. That is a special feature of this Volume 1. Volume 2 obviously has some little bit higher topics like age problems, train problems, and then pipes and cisterns, time and work. Everything simplified for you. 1300 practice questions. That's a big reservoir of questions, right? So get yourself this Speed Maths Ultimate Guide Volume 1 and Volume 2. Just this much of investment and the benefits are manifold. I guarantee you, you will love the content in the books. Over 350 short tricks given to make maths joyful. If you are a maths teacher, must for you. If you are a school owner, then give the students the gift of these two books. Rather than giving mementos, let's give them something through which they will gain some competency and work out their skills in summer vacation. So I'll show you the copies also. Here we have the volume number 1 and volume number 2, the two combo. It's an amazing combo, never before combo, and I tell you, once you get a copy of this, you are going to love the content which we have given. I'll just show you a glimpse. See how many different videos we have given. See, these are all QR codes which the student can scan and watch the video, and lots of challenge zones. After giving the detailed description of the trick, we have given the challenge zones, and obviously the answer key are given at the end of the lesson. See, all the answers key. It is an amazing work of mathematics, I tell you. So I'll tell you how to get it, although the description is there. In the link also you can find the Amazon links, and here we have the WhatsApp number, so you can copy it when I tell you the trick. Okay, so let's see the trick. I want to tell you the concept of the trick. How we can have fun with base numbers. When you are given a 100 rupee note and there's an expenditure of 47 rupees 65 paise, how much will you get back? Tell me frankly, how many students can do that in mind? I think it's like 7 to 8 students out of 100 students, and even I could not do that when I was maybe 7 years old or 8 years old. It's difficult, right? So how do you make that simple for the students? How do you make them calculate mentally and comfortably, accurately? So let's see how you can actually subtract numbers from the base quantities without having to borrow anything. This is a very simple Vedic maths trick of all from 9 and last from 10. What does that mean? Suppose there is a 100 here and you have to subtract 43. I know you all know that, but it is my intention to bring up the trick for you first. So 2 zeros, 2 digits. Whenever the number of zeros in the base number and number of digits here are equal, no worries. Just do all from 9, subtract all digits from 9, but the last digit is to be subtracted from 10. So 10 minus 3, 7, and 9 minus 4, 5. This is the answer. Now let's work it out for 1000. Suppose I have to subtract 300 and what, 67 from this. So 3 zeros, 3 digits. How does that work? All from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. 10 minus 7, 3. And there we go. You have the answer. Likewise, you can work out big subtraction. See, I have 4 zeros here and I need to subtract 4300 and maybe what? 4? Anything? So 4 zeros and 4 digits. No worries. Directly all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 0, 9. 10 minus 4, 6. And there we go. The answer will never be wrong. But I know you must be itching, to ask that question. If the number of digits here are less, what do we do then? So I am here with the solution of that question also. Now suppose you have a 10,000 and you need to subtract a number in hundreds, maybe 291, anything, right? So now we have 4 zeros here but only 3 digits here. So instead of considering this as 291, I will consider this as 0291. Doesn't make a difference to the number, right? And now apply the same magical method of all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 9, 0. And 10 minus 1, 9. There we go. The answer is 9709. Doesn't that work wonderfully well? And this all from 9 and last from 10 can be used for multiplication also. I'll tell you a very important concept, and this concept also is given in the volume number 1 of the Speed Maths book. This is actually an amazing collection, and if I show you that particular trick which I am showing you here, wonderfully illustrated, and you won't find a better explanation for that anywhere. Okay, so the concept. Now multiplication by 9s also involves all from 9 and last from 10. Do you know how? Just check out. Suppose I have a 2-digit number like 47 and I need to multiply by equal number of 9s, like 2 digit here, so 2 9s here. Do you know I can do that in 1 second time? Yeah, the time which is required to just see the question is the time required to solve the question. Isn't that amazing? I'll show you how. See, just reduce this number by 1. So 47 minus 1, 46. And then to this number 47, just apply the same magical rule which I did in the subtraction. All from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 4 and 10 minus 7. 9 minus 4, 5. And 10 minus 7, 3. And now can we work out like traditionally and check our answer? I want to do that. 47 times 99. I'll use Vedic maths. 9 7s are 63, 3 6 carry. 7 9s are 63 and 36. 63 and 36 is 99. 99 plus 6 is 105. 5 10 carry. And finally 9 4s are 36 plus 10 46. 4 6 5 3. Oh my god, the answer is exactly the same. It does work out well, right? So let's have one more question. 2 digits, 2 9s. Let's have 3 digits, 381 times 999. I will take different number of digits also, don't worry. So reduce this by 1, you get 380, and then start applying. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 8, 1. 10 minus 1, 9. The last digit is always to be subtracted from 10. Now what happens if the number of digits here are less than the number of 9s? Suppose we have a question like 27 times 999. Now what? Very easy. I will put a 0 here. Now 027 when reduced by 1 will give you 026, which is 26 only, and apply all from 9 last from 10 in all 3 digits. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 10 minus 7, 3. And there we go. The answer is here. So I can give you some DIY questions. You can try these questions and let me know in the comments. Okay, is it working for you? So first one, you can do 8153 times 9999. This is the first one. And one more, 792 times 99999. So I'm going to challenge you. I want your answers in the comments, and I want lots and lots of messages on WhatsApp 9996369963. Get yourself a copy of that speed maths combo. Fine, friends. So if you like this video, do share it with all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and share it with everybody, so that this knowledge which we Indians have created moves on to the world. So friends, all the best for your practice, and I will surely wait for the answers of the DIY questions. All the best.